Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at NR Windgates project, which is located at Thanisandra Main Road, Bangalore. So friends, we are standing outside the project. And this is the main connecting road. And now we are moving towards the project. And this is the main entrance gate. Here you can see this is the service road. So this is the view of project site. This project is built across 4.5 acres of land. And having 50% open space. This project offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. It carries 4 blocks with G+4 floors. And total comprises of 250 number of units. So from here you can take the view of towers. So these are the various towers. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So friends, this is the living room. With attached balcony. So as you can see, the living room is very spacious. And now we are moving towards the bedroom area, and here comes the first bedroom. So this is the attached balcony. Here is the dining area. And this is the modular kitchen. Beautifully designed. With tiles work on the floor. The spacious apartment. Now here comes the common washroom. With modern fittings. Now we are moving towards the another bedroom area, and here comes the second bedroom, which is also very spacious. Now here comes the third bedroom with attached balcony. So friends, as you can see, the rooms are spacious with wardrobe fitting. And this is an attached washroom. With ultra modern fittings. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.